Hi, I'm Irina Khanna and I'm excited to invite you for a free quit smoking workshop at Illuminations JLT. Are you tired of endless cycle of trying to quit smoking only to relapse into your old habits? At Illuminations, we offer more than a program, we offer transformation. Our renowned quit smoking program at Illuminations is the #1 smoking cessation solution in the UAE, boasting a 100% success rate. With our expertly crafted triple therapy approach, you can break free from smoking with ease, no relapse, no cravings. In this introductory workshop, you will discover how to understand the root cause of your smoking habit, boost your willpower and determination, utilize holistic and integrated healing methods. Join us at Illuminations and start your journey towards a healthier, smoke-free life. Don't wait. Book your free consult now and breathe the change. We are looking forward to welcoming you.